about to get up. I don't even know what I want to do to my face. Like, I know I'm taking pictures, but I want something real plain. I'm about to, let's see. This is what it's giving. It's always giving Nicki Minaj, okay? So yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. It's plain with a pink lip, nude eyeshadow, and all that good stuff with some liner. This is the closest that I'm getting to this look, honestly. I just didn't do the eyeliner, but I feel like if I did the eyeliner, like, we could be twins. But seriously, it's cute. It's an everyday, you know what I'm saying? I can just use like nude eyeshadows, colors, and pink lip, or even a nude lip. Honestly, either one works, but I'm feeling the pink for today. So I'm still about to get dressed, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear today. I don't know. I want to take pictures, so I gotta wear something cute.
This is my outfit of choice. Not too happy about the top being kind of see-through, but the gold accessories was definitely a must. And these shoes, which I'm wearing for the first time, made the outfit feel real dressed downish and comfortable. And now I'm getting ready to take some pictures.
Yeah, so honestly, like, this wasn't even a bad spot to take pictures in, honestly. It's really cool. Like, if you walk all the way back here, there's so much space. Honestly, you could have a barbecue, a little backyard. No, we left the backyard parties in 2012, but you get the picture. You get what I'm trying to say. I'm just about done wrapping up here. This was a cool spot. It was cool. I can't pose for nothing. Like, if somebody asks me how should they pose, like, that's just like, I'm the wrong person to ask. Like, don't ask, because I will have you looking like a mannequin in the store. Like, so yeah, we're about to dip up out of here.